I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I'm going to be taking you guys through my hair curling routine, how I like to curl my hair and get these nice, beautiful, soft curls. So if you guys are interested, then just keep watching. So before I curl my hair, I always have to have freshly washed and clean hair. I know a lot of people say that it doesn't hold a curl as well if your hair is freshly washed, but for me it's kind of opposite to that. So I always wash my hair first, I put shampoo through it twice and then conditioner through it once, and then I blow dry my hair and then go to curling. Okay, so this is what my hair looks when it's like freshly washed and wet. I do have quite long and thick hair, so I kind of can't really fit everything in the frame. But it takes me ages to blow dry and it also takes me ages to curl my hair as well. So I pretty much only wash my hair maybe like once a week. I know some people probably think that that's gross, but when you have like long and thick hair like this, it just takes too long to do it any more than that. Okay, so once I've just put the brush through my hair, I'll just go ahead and blow dry it the rest of the way. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the curling. So this is the curling one that I use to curl my hair. To be honest, this doesn't even have a brand name on it. My cousin gave it to me, so that's what I'm using to curl my hair. When I curl my hair, because my hair is so long and thick, I have to do it in sections. So just run my fingers through it and just leave a little section at the back. And then I pull the rest of my hair up and I twist it around, just like that. And then I will put a clip in the top just to hold it down. I part my hair in like small sections, so you pretty much want to part the hair in the middle and put both of the hair pieces to the front, just like this, and I look at the hair and then gauge kind of how many curls I want to do. So because this isn't too much hair, I'm probably thinking maybe around 3 sections I'll curl. And the way that I curl my hair is I curl both bits of the hair at the side outwards, so the curl kind of goes out this way and then falls down, and then this curl goes out this way and then falls down that way. I know that some people like curl all of their hair in the exact same direction, which is fine if you're doing like a big part and you're having all of your hair to one side and then like this part is tucked behind your ear, but typically I curl my hair both like in the opposite directions, so then that way I can have my hair parted in the middle and they both look really nice. I don't like it when the curls are like going the same direction. So that's pretty much what I do. So now that I've got this hair, I'll just leave it on this side and I'll fling this hair to the back and I'll grab one section. So as I said, I would be doing probably about 3 curls with this side. So I grab about 1/3 of the hair, and then when I curl my hair, I don't curl it all the way up to the top. I probably start kind of like maybe like 4 fingers like length down, and that's where I place the curling iron all the way at the back, and then twist the hair all the way around to the end. I'd probably recommend getting a like glove so that your finger doesn't get burnt. I have long fingernails, so I typically find that I can just press the end of the hair with my fingernail against the curling wand. It's a little hack for you girls out there with long fingernails. And then I hold the hair there probably for about, I would say maybe like 20 seconds or so. You don't want to let go of it too quickly, or especially with my hair, just because I like to make sure that the curl is like completely like curled. I like quite tight curls because I do brush them out afterwards. And then I push the hair like this and slide it off into my hand, and then I drop it and let it go, and you'll see how it's like quite tight at the moment, and then it just gives me more like room to be able to play with the curl and like brush it out and drop it down a little bit. So for now I just leave the curl as it is and we'll move on to the next section. Bottom part of my hair done. So basically this is kind of how I stick to doing my hair all the way through. You'll see that the curls slightly drop a little bit more as they're cooling down, which is perfect because that's what I want. So now I'm just going to take the next part of my hair out. Nearing the final part of my hair, so I now take the clip out, and this is the last section of my hair, so I won't need the clip anymore. What I like to do is I like to just bring the hair out and put my part in the middle, and once I'm happy with that, I bring all of the hair again forward to the sides, and I just lift up all of the non-curled pieces and put the brush through it. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this piece of hair is I'm going to tease underneath it just so I've got a little bit more volume in the top of my hair. So I just lift the hair all the way up, this, and then just grab my teasing comb and start brushing down toward the roots of the hairs. I do it quite a lot because once I bring it back down, I'll like brush it down a little bit more. And then once I bring it back down like that, that's when I start parting the sections of the hair to curl. Now I'm going to be spraying a little bit of the GHD Final Shine spray in my hair just to make my hair nice and super shiny. Okay, now the final thing that I'm going to put in my hair is some coconut and almond treatment oil. I just got this from Kmart and it works really well for me. So because it is an oil, I only like to use the tiniest amount, and I'm only using it on the very ends of my hair. Okay. And now that is pretty much it for my hair. I don't use hairspray, guys, which a lot of people find really surprising. I just find that hairspray doesn't really work for me, and it kind of just makes your hair look really like dry looking. I like my curls to look really like soft and like fluffy looking, I guess maybe is the right word. So I'm just, yeah, lightly brushing out the curls from the bottom, and then slowly bring my brush up. And then I just kind of like brush over the tops of the hair just so it's nice and smooth and soft. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed and you got something out of it. I don't have any crazy life-changing like tips to share about my hair. This is just the routine that I've found works best for me and helps hold my curls the longest. So I hope you all enjoyed, and until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye!